Growing strawberries from scratch can be incredibly rewarding and surprisingly simple. If you're eager to indulge in the sweet taste of freshly picked strawberries, follow these expert tips to cultivate your bountiful harvest. Planting strawberry seedlings for optimal growth. When you start your strawberry growing venture, you can just opt for strawberry seedlings to kickstart the process efficiently. Gather necessary tools for strawberry seedlings. Procure strawberry seedlings. Planting containers, preferably large styrofoam boxes. High-quality soil, small stones for drainage, ground netting, and essential gardening tools. Prepare the planting containers for strawberry seedlings. Ensure adequate drainage in your containers by poking holes in the bottom and lining them with ground netting. Layer weathered soil followed by high-quality soil, filling the container to about 2/3 full. Plant the strawberry seedlings. Dig sizable pits in the soil-filled containers and place the strawberry seedlings and their soil into these pits. Water the strawberry seedlings lightly and cover the roots with soil, nurturing the growth process of strawberry seedlings. Encourage shoot growth of strawberry seedlings. Approximately 10 days after planting strawberry seedlings, anticipate new shoots of strawberry seedlings emerging from the strawberry seedling centers. Increase the growth of strawberry seedlings by applying organic fertilizers such as eggshell powder or liquid fertilizers every 2 weeks. Facilitate pollination when delicate white flowers adorn the strawberry plants. Engage in manual pollination daily in the morning when conditions are optimal. Ensure proper fruit development. As the flowers of the strawberry plant fade, strawberries will begin to form. To safeguard the growing fruits, place straw or non-polluting paper beneath them to prevent contact with the soil. Strawberry harvesting and maintenance tips. Timing is key. Resist the urge to harvest prematurely or wait until fruits are overly ripe. Aim to pick strawberries when 80% to 90% of the fruit is a vibrant red hue for peak flavor. Post-harvest care of strawberry. After harvesting, trim the stems of the strawberries and replant them to propagate for future growth cycles. Procuring quality of strawberry seedlings. During the spring season, seek out reputable sources for purchasing strawberry seedlings. By following these steps, you can savor the joy of growing your fruitful strawberry harvest. If you enjoyed this video related to strawberry plants, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more harvesting videos of different plants. Until next time, keep on growing.